Okay, flea market wrap up for December 30th, 2022 at the Redwoods Flea Market in Wallingford. Can't really see much of it, whatever. There's buildings across the street. Maybe somebody will know those. Picked up a Dell XPS 13. Oh, yeah, okay. Probably not the best way to do that. You know, it's a little scuffed up looking, not too bad. It's got a screw loose up there that, well, not loose, but it's not in there right. Somebody's been in it, which was what I was trying to tell the vendor. Yeah, even that one's a little raised as well, which is not good. That means somebody definitely was in it, messing around. I mean, maybe not. It could have been somebody that was really rough with the thing. Let's see, what time is it? 7:45. That's not bad. Taking a look inside it without really being able to see me. You know how blurry that reflection is. That's good though. Screen, I don't see anything there that would indicate that there's cracks in it. Keyboard, a little dirty, you know, it's got some food residues and things, some grease on here. Yeah, see the grease there? It's pretty nasty. I fear this may be one that has to be thoroughly examined before it goes into the house. So I'm gonna have to go get my toolkit and bring it out to the vehicle later and check this thing out that way. $30 though, not too bad. If it works, pretty good, but no guarantee on that. But that's how it is when you buy at the flea market.